Menlo Park Academy, which is the spirit of invention, innovation, and opportunities for young people today.
We get students from 7 counties, over 40 districts. They're coming from everywhere to come here to K-8 tuition-free charter school for gifted learners.
We decided on the name Menlo Park Academy based on Thomas Edison and his invention laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey.
One of my family friends, they recommended Menlo to us because of the environment, and it's focused on gifted care.
Gifted students have asynchronous development, and so while they may be reading books on a 10th grade level, they may still be just a 3rd grader.
They need a school that is going to handle that whole education for them, not just the academics, but a lot of their social, their emotional, the other needs that they have.
So we adjust curriculum and student activities to make sure that it's developmentally appropriate for a mind that can grasp and comprehend the material, as opposed to a 10-year-old who is still learning basic things about themselves.
Our teachers know us very individually, and they allow us to learn how we like and how we want, and I think that's a very important part of Menlo and like how we're built.
So we feel with an open space atmosphere, different areas for students to congregate in to do their work, and a flexible schedule, that we will have students that will become more critical, creative thinkers, and in the end become innovators on their own.
One of the biggest goals that we had in looking at a new facility was a campus where we could stake our future. The building is on the Register of Historic Places. We were able to get the historic tax credits. Foss and PNC Bank were the 2 big investors in those tax credits. Then, of course, the new market tax credit allocation from Cleveland Development Advisors.
Neighborhoods are important to us, and catalytic projects are extremely important to us, and this has, among other things, both of those going for it full time.
We wanted to kind of do an exploration of what does 21st century learning really need to look like, and what do gifted children really need to be able to learn in the best way.
This building this year really has a more open space for us to learn, and we can choose where we want to learn. We have an environment that supports us learning.
I think people will be impressed with what was done. I think they'll be excited. They'll see that it's bright, open. The light that comes in through these windows is amazing.
We are really interested in teaching the students is the fact that Joseph Weiss was an innovator. So we've woven this together with the fact that Thomas Edison was an innovator. He innovated many, many things at Menlo Park. Joseph Weiss innovated in this building, and now we want the students to become innovators.
The reason we left the water tower is because that was part of the original design of the building, and that's one of the features that was incorporated on the National Historic Register.
It's important that students look at our graffiti in the building, understand where it came from, know what it means, see it as an expression of art, and it's important to us that we maintain it because it's such an integral part of the building and has been for many years.
This is a school that is opening up the doors to everybody, especially in Cleveland. Menlo's doors are open, and they're open for everyone.
I think especially since this gives you a lot of different learning options and a lot of learning opportunities, so you know very different ways to learn, you know how to learn from different teachers. I think that'll let me succeed very well in high school, and hopefully that'll let me succeed very well in college as well.
We want to outreach and let them know that we are here, and that could be part of building that partnership with a lot of the corporations, organizations that are here to help us spread that word out, to let those families, all families, know that we're here.
We want to share and expand and express to everybody. Here's a potential that we need to work together as a community to enrich this entire environment. We'll be the nucleus for that.
One actually ran out after a shadow visit day and just looked at Mom and said, "I'm home. This is my place. I'm home."